ya igbu iyo na mara ụnụ mma ka bụrụsịkwa nwa unu nwoke bụrụkwa nwanne unu nwoke Mr. Ade Jude ofu onye ji eziokwu wee mara ofu ya bụ ọbịa n'obi okwuo n'ihi na onwe nke amụma eme bifo nga ihe nke m nwere ikwu n'ụbọchị nke taa arịrịọ nji bịa kwukiri ka jigodi zụta onye ana m abịakwa
talks about it. Money is going. People are embezzling. The treasury is being looted every day. No conscience. Even those that we thought that will be the head of security to prevent this is happening, they fall into the same trap. And at the end of the day, we blame boys for doing the wrong thing to get money. And yet we have leaders who sit in Asu Rock, who sit in all these places, and don't even think about what happened tomorrow. How much can you possibly eat? How much can you possibly wear or drive in this life before you finally go? And you put everybody in a state where we are not even being respected outside this country. A country like Ghana, look at a country like Ghana, had the audacity to get into Nigeria embassy and break down building in our embassy. It's sad.
Yeah, I want to forget. Today.
I know they are going to call me again and say all the shit. They already know where I stay. They know where I live. They should come. They should come. I'm ready for them. They should fucking come. I'm ready for them. I will shut the entire internet down. I'm fucking ready for them. But you see this Nigeria, I don't get another country. Now only this place nowadays. This is my country. This is where I'm from. I'm a Niger Delta. And fuck it, I will say it the way it is. Do you understand? My only problem, I don't get problem about the leaders. My only problem is Nigerians. And they talk for Nigerians. And they attack the idiot, demonic, occultic, witch businessmen we call themselves politicians. The Nigerians were supposed to stand with me. They attack me. Water come off from my eye. I cry. Oh God. I cry, oh. I cry. On Nigerians. At this point.
No, of course, also today. But okuni na ha na-ekwukita m gbadoro okwu n'okwu a nke onye anachi gosi unu na onya ka ha ji pụtasizie now ma before then and my background.
Yo, I'm not trying to mock any artist though, but let me tell you guys Nigeria was about to happen. So all the companies in Nigeria, they've told all their agencies to hold on to their money. Nobody they spend money in all their budget for their advertising and everything. So artists now no show, artists no rally, comedians no show, comedians no rally, creatives, nobody's making money. And guess what? Rents they come, bills they pile up. So now they become the ordinary Nigeria. So they don't get level with normal citizens. So they go start to speak out now. You understand? So now the thing now, you go see say everybody now go the voice out because it be thing so it don't be.
Yeah. So na happen to them now it's not why I'm here. You understand? Oboro ha today. Because I can remember then, after Kata Charafuna change, all of them came out in March to support this same Buhari administration. So whatever hardship they are passing through is none of my business. Open up for them, I wouldn't have been here. But why I'm here is because of these people.
Happy independent Nigeria. Our leaders and our rulers, I beg. As soon as don't turn to God, we want to beg you. These are the youths of Nigeria. We are begging you. God the president, God the governor, God the senator, God the commissioners. We are begging you now. Is there any way we have sinned against you that you are making Nigeria to bleed? We are begging. Please forgive us. Forgive us. Is it the sins of our father or our great-grandfathers? Nigeria and our country, and this country too, now our village. If you carry your children wrong, come up for this country, finish. Maybe if your pikin, this your current pikin, no come back. Your great-grandchildren go still come back and meet this country destroyed. Yes, I beg, all the education we no day. I beg, help us arrange them. The whole roads in the east don't die, finish, waiting they happen. No road to Enugu, no road to Port Harcourt, no road to anywhere, waiting happen. Electricity, help us. Nigeria is bleeding. Nigeria is crying. At 59, we not get complete 59 reasonable men when they rule us. What will happen? Just help us. Is there any way Nigeria has sinned against you? Nigeria is in tears. Help us. Nigeria is crying. What will happen, self? Una know they see who they rule us, self. I want to know the person where they rule. I go change them for this country. What if it is, self? At 59, una not fit do anything.
Yes, it's because of these people, the commoners like me, poor youths of this country. Chukwunna biko esoro mu awe meaning youths ndị enwere ka ọrafa ndị ife na-esiri ike ka m ndị enwe nna ka m wee na-arịọ gị ama na Nigeria emego many committed many sins. Nigerians aye emego many atrocities. Ihe ekwesighị, ihe ntị ekwesighị ịnọ. Aye emechago ya. And you've been warning us. You've been warning us. But ọtụtụ ndị enwero ntị na ndị nwere ofu ntị anụrụ. But onye nwanyị na Chineke pụrụ ime ihe niile anụrụ m. And if people will remember, before Buhari Abia with the change, I have been saying it. I have been shouting that this man had nothing to offer. They should check back the records. I said it. But you could do Tony Hikuru. Who are we? Who am I to judge your statement? You will bataya Buhari. We will see them with change. Change Burundi in the Warante na Nigeria. But because ni feel that nande nwere ofu nte ka dị ndụ, you go batara next level. Onye nwa na Chineke ana m arịọ gị biko o doro anyị anya, o doro iwu na ọka anya na ndị niile a nwere ofu nte ha ncha nwụsigo. Ndị na-anwụzi na abụ ndị gere ntị n'okwu gị. But because we are just few, we cannot do anything. The majority we are just supporting this evil man. Now everybody is shouting. I'm not here because of, I'm not begging you, God, because of what all these celebrities have been saying. Probably they are not making noise because there's no longer shows for them. Nobody is calling them for anything. Companies are folding, banks are folding, things are turning upside down. Also baliru ababagazo. But oneme ndị nke ga affect. Eso nofo eni mefa. Chukwunna biko. I join on these common youths like me when I yogi. Onwe be ha na yo ndị ọchịchị be mo na yogi because ama na ihe ikwadoro ademe. Onwe be si mejọ gị mere iji wee were ọnọdụ a wee na-ata ya afọ. Chukwunna gbaghalụ. Ifuru ndị ọchịchị a niile starting from Buhari, Oshomole, Lai Mohammed, Amechi and others. Name them. Under this hour. Because we are presenting this matter. We are presenting this matter to God. And God will answer us. God will hear us. So osi, chukuna kukurekusi, yono no yayota, kwa na aka na ayemerono. So obu na ima no do Nigeria now. Metotaragi. Wafo onye mabu onye bu so na ndeme na Nigeria no no ha no today. Boy afa because onwu yezutefa. Agwaro nga agwara mmadu. God is right here to hear our prayers. So if you don't speak out now, you will forever remain dumb. You will forever remain dumb. So you better speak up. Buhari, Amechi, Oshomole, name them, Lai Mohammed them, Adeshina, all of them, name all of them. Death is awaiting them. Death awaits all of them. Because I know there is no amount of preaching you preach today that will touch their heart. Because their heart is happy. Obiha Oshigo. But Chukwu Kika Obiama. Onye bụ onye na-ekpele. Di onye ya bụ osisi kwụrụ ọkwụrụ. Onye ya bụ okwu. Who are we to judge? To gbago okwu Chineke kwuru. Ọ ya nụ ekpere anyị. And ka ọ na-emere anyị ha. Biko no. 2023 can abia. Why I'm still sounding as a Nigeria is because yes, I know we will soon be free. as Biafrans. But for the fact that Biafra is not yet achieved, I'm still a Nigerian. So whatever that affects Nigerians affect me. God, o Chukwu pụrụ ime ihe niile, ofu onye ọha niile na-ekpelu, onye bi n'elu ma ọgọdị a na-akpụ n'anị, the I am that I am, Chukwu nke ụmụ ogbenye, Chukwu nke ndị enwere ndị enwero nna, Chukwu na-ekwuru ọnụ ndị enwe ndị ekwuru fa. We the youths of this country, esekpuru na n'ụkwụ gị wee na-ayọ gị, onwe ụzọ anyị si wee mejọ iji wee were ọchịchị Buhari and APC wee na-ata ya afọ gbaghalụ ọ iwe nwa ọ dị eru n'ọkpụkpụ. Ikwukwara sị na ọ bụ na mmehie adịghị mgbaghara ama ndị anyị emehiego, anyị nwakwa ndị mehiere amarakwa abịagokwa to our right senses wee na-ayọ gị Chukwu nna biko anyị mana ya emehiego gị wee na-ayọkwa gị gbaghara anyị ka ị na-aza anyị ekpere a ka otito mbuni elu ọjịja mma inye isi niile na ekele na-edere aha nsọ gị n'ebe ọ dị ukwuu n'aha Jesus Christ bụ onye nwanyị. Amen. It is done. It is done. Glory be to God. Honor to Mary. Ya mara anyị niile mma.
Yakwanụ rolu Chineke yakwanụ rolu ọ na-eze yakwanụ rolu ndị Igbo yakwanụ rolu